Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today's video is about thinning the herd. You guys voted, and number 6, which is the Union number 537 Transitional plane, was the first choice. Now, it wasn't overwhelming. It was by 1 vote, and possibly 2 because Louis put in a question mark and I wasn't really sure if he was voting for the number 6 or just talking about it. In any case, number 6 is going to be the first one listed. Now, by all means, all of them are going to be listed eventually, but I really appreciate that this one is the first one that you guys wanted to see, because this is the one I put the most work into, and it is one of my favorites. It's nice to know that it's going to be going to a home where somebody really appreciates it. The listing is on eBay as of this morning. This is a 7-day listing. That's going to give us time to get the thing sold and things taken care of, and possibly be able to list one a little sooner than once a month. All depends on how this one goes. If it's a real pain in my butt, it's going to take longer. If it goes well, it might be sooner. I'd like to have everything that showed up on the table in the thinning the herd video sold, because frankly I want them to go. They need to find a new home. So stay tuned, watch for the listings, and I'll try and put one up at least once a month. If possible, there'll be more. I have lots of planes to sell. The ID number for the listing is in the description, and I would really appreciate it if you went to look. It's going to be fun kind of just seeing who bids on it. I did this one as a bid, not as a buy it now, and we're going to open it up so that anybody in the world can buy it. The price is low enough. I know shipping is going to be crazy if it goes to Australia, but at least you got a shot at it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop it out in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.